Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. Mobile World Congress 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 Intel laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 Intel laptop. In terms of the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 Intel laptop, this laptop comes in two colors. One of the colors being deep black and the other being storm gray. In terms of the laptop, we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop here, and in this picture we have, going left to right, we have a micro SD card slot. We have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port. We have an HDMI 2.0 B port, and we also have a micro security slot. In terms of the display options, there are four. And the first option being 13.3 2.8K OLED 16:10 100% DCI P3 gamut, 100% of the sRGB gamut, 400 nits, and iSafe. The second option is 13.3-inch WUXGA IPS 16:10 100% sRGB, 400 nits, low power, and iSafe. The third option is a 13.3 WUXGA IPS 16:10 100% sRGB, 300 nit touch display. Furthermore, there's the 13.3 WUXGA IPS 16:10 100% sRGB with the 300 nit display. In terms of memory options, this laptop comes with up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, which is the latest and greatest fast memory. In terms of graphic options, this laptop comes with the Intel Iris Xe graphics. For battery options, you have two options. You have the 41 watt-hour battery, and you also have a second option, which is 54.7 watt-hour battery. In terms of weight, this laptop weighs in at 2.51 pounds or 1.14 kilograms. In terms of SSD storage options, you have up to 2 terabytes of M.2 PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD option. Furthermore, this laptop comes with two user-facing speakers with Dolby Audio. In addition, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E option and an optional 4G LTE option. In terms of Bluetooth, it comes with Bluetooth 5.1. For the laptop processors that are included with this laptop, Lenovo mentions that it comes with 13th generation Intel Core processors with Intel V Pro, although they didn't give the exact specifications of the 13th generation Intel processors. As soon as I get that information, I will update the video with this information. This particular picture, we're looking at the left-hand side of the laptop. And with this left-hand side of the laptop, going from left to right, we have two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. We also have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, which is also Type A, and also an audio, headphone, and microphone combination jack port. Furthermore, this laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro. In terms of sound options for the microphone, this laptop comes with dual far-field microphones with Dolby Voice. In terms of webcam options, this laptop comes with a full HD RGB camera with a privacy shutter. In addition, it comes with a 5 megapixel RGB and IR camera with privacy shutter. In terms of this laptop, I think Lenovo has done some great things in terms of presenting this at Mobile World Congress 2023. And once again, I want to thank you for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Christopher. Once again, if you would like to subscribe and you feel that this video is tantalizing, leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.